Hello guys, a warm welcome to you all. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to collaborate on projects in DaVinci Resolve. So basically come to the import button. As you can see, I already imported my video of my choice. So basically I'll come and drop it here in the timeline. Quite simple steps. Alright. So after that, basically if you want to add any edits within this video, move the cursor within the video, then tap on the video itself. So let's assume you want to change the video, the mirror. You can change it like that. If you want to rotate it, you can also rotate it like that. Alright. So after all that, guys, what you're going to do is quite simple. Basically, you need to come to the export button here. Okay. So you export this video. After exporting it, you find it in your device or on your laptop in the dedicated folder. So after that, you can proceed with the collaboration for any project you want. Okay, you can edit with anyone else after that, basically. So that's it, guys. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, I sign out.